In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the balance on your IKEA gift card for the year 2025 with this simple step-by-step guide. Whether you've just received a gift card from a loved one or you're making sure you have enough funds for your next purchase, this process is quite straightforward and easy to follow. Make sure you have your gift card handy as you'll need some details from it to proceed. First, you'll need to open a web browser on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. In the search bar, type IKEA check gift card balance and hit enter. You should see several results appear, but look for the official IKEA website link. Once you find it, click on it to navigate to the appropriate page. Once you've reached the IKEA site, you'll want to direct your attention to the option labeled Online Balance Check. Click on this option and it will take you to the next stage of the process. Here, it's crucial to ensure that you are in the right section. So double check you're on the official IKEA page and not any misleading sites. Now to proceed further, you must either join IKEA's website by creating an account or log in if you already have an account. This step is necessary because you need to be logged in to access the specific services related to gift card balance checks. So if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's a quick process and requires basic information such as your name, email address, and a password. If you're logging in, simply enter your credentials and click on the login button. After successfully logging in, it's important to know which types of gift cards are applicable for online balance checks. If you have a physical gift card, you should see a PIN number on the back of the card. If it's a digital gift card, you'll have a code that acts as the PIN. These are essential because they allow IKEA's system to verify the balance associated with your card. As long as you have a PIN or code, you're all set to check your balance online. And that's all there is to it. With just these few easy steps, you can conveniently check the balance on your IKEA gift card and get ready for your next shopping trip. Make sure to keep your gift card and your login information secure to prevent any unauthorized access. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping at IKEA.